Hello. These 15 wood dyes completely transform plain wood, but some look absolutely amazing and some honestly surprise me. Wait till you see number 7.
Hello, today I'll be testing 15 different wood dyes so you can see exactly how they look on real wood side by side. Kindly sent to me by HD Chemicals. I will be leaving a link in the description so you can go directly to their site and buy these products. I get a small commission at no extra cost to you. Hope you enjoyed the video.
This is the selection we will be looking at. Here is the plain wood that I started with. I've put them into 3 groups to make it easier. Natural tones, darker finishes and more vibrant colours. Let's start with the natural tones. These are the ones you typically use for furniture. And this one on the right is the deep plum mahogany. Wonderful grain on this one. And these are amber pine, blonde oak and rustic pine. All very nice colours. Leave in the comments which one is your favourite up to now. Now onto the darker, richer tones. These give a much deeper, more dramatic finish. From top to bottom there is chestnut, truffle brown, chocolate mahogany, espresso oak and burgundy. The burgundy really comes through with a nice grain. And the chestnut, in my opinion, looks a little bit like oak. And I've got a really surprising colour coming up in a minute. And now for the fun ones, the bright colours. This one really pops out, and this is the rustic green. And this is the one I was talking about earlier. This is the number 7. Didn't expect it to look this good on wood. And this one is the lemon. And then we've got the blue sky. Then we have the scarlet red. And finally the mint green. And to sum it up, for a natural look, I like the deep plum mahogany. For the darker finishes, I like the espresso oak. And for something bold, as you can tell, I absolutely love the violet. Let me know in the comments which one's your favourite. Thank you for watching. And all I have to say is, whatever you do, do it well.